We are headed back Hawaii's legendary Mana Road, a high-altitude dirt road winding all the way around Mauna Kea. It's probably not what you'd expect, but it's home to several orchards of cold-weather fruits, growing as high as 6,000 feet above sea level. We're here at the cabins at Keanakolu. We're looking for plums in the orchard, green plums at this time of the year, June, and we're going to try to make some pickles. But first we come across an old cabin and some fruiting peach trees.
Oh. So the peaches were sour and hard as rocks, so hopefully the plums will be better.
You got either plum or apple right here. But we've got one more sidetrack before the plums. It's a fruit I'd never encountered before.
See if you pop this open.
Oopsie.
It goes by the name banana poka, and it's a high-altitude cousin of lilycord, growing on similar vines.
Oh, one is on the ground, left the other one.
We got it, but bird ate it.
To break it. Yeah, don't break the tree. Okay, here's the one. Oh, is that another one? There's another one.
Well, we've been having a lot of heavy wind and rain the last few days, so it knocked off most of the buds and the fruits. So we got enough green plums to make some pickles in the end, eh?
That's right.
And now we're gonna go see if we can find some more.
Yeah.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video from Eat and Be Eaten, check out the channel. We've got lots of Hawaii recipe videos, us out there fishing, hunting, planting, all that. Mahalo. And finally, we come to it. The mother lode.
That's they dropping?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the pigs come real.
Gotta get them with a little bit of yellow on them.
Yeah, they're small, they're little red plums.
We finally found them. So pickled plums, here we come. Okay, so it's the next morning. We're all the way back down the mountain to about 1,000 feet again, and now it's time to make our pickles. So what are pickles? Well, it's something that's been preserved in a solution, usually acid, salt, and if you're making sweet pickles, some sugar as well. So that's exactly what we are going to do with our plums. We're going to season with some spices like whole black peppercorns, fennel seeds, coriander seeds, and in this case, maybe just a touch of crushed ginger.
Bring your red wine vinegar mixture up to a boil and simmer for 10 minutes. Then go in with your green plums and poach from 1 to several minutes, depending on the size. Let it cool completely, then store it in a sterilized jar in the fridge.
Alright, and that is going to be just a salty, sweet, tangy treat for you that'll keep for a month or two in the fridge. Guys, if you liked this video, you want to see more adventures from us like this in Hawaii, hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and we're going to have new videos every week or two. Aloha!